Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is uranium-235 decays into the non-radioactive daughter product lead-207 with a half-life of 700,000,000,000 million years. If a zircon crystal contained 1600 atoms of uranium-235 and no lead-207 when it is formed 2.8 billion years ago during the Archaean Eon. How many lead-207 atoms does it contain today? Hence, you can use the equation from the lecture to solve this almost all the way to the end. If you do this number 1600 atoms of uranium 235, t is equal to 2.8 billion years, t1 over 2, 7 million years, and into t. How many uranium 235 atoms the crystal contain today? Then you just need one more step to get the correct answer. The correct answer to this question, how many lead-207 atoms the crystal contain today, and the answer of the question is, pause the video and go through the calculation. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.